Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Crown Lounge. On today's episode, we are going to be making a Peach Bourbon Smash. Right, so this time of year is the best time of year because we have the sweetest of all peaches available. You guessed it, Georgia peaches. No better peaches. So anyway, to start this off, we're going to go ahead and add 2 ounces of bourbon of your choice. And today we're using St. Augustine. We're going local. All right. Then we want to add an ounce of an orange liqueur, triple sec, or whatever you want to do. We're going to get the fancy French stuff. Next, we want to add half a peach and half a lemon and some mint. And a little bit more mint. Next, we want to muddle it. Muddle it. To combine all those good flavors. All right, that should be good. And you can smell that mint. That's a good thing when you grow it yourself. It smells so much better. All right, now we want to add a little bit of ice. Want to give it a shake. I don't know if it's better to hold it the other way or this way. I don't know. I'm not a professional. Now we want to strain it in a cup of ice. I guess you could do a double strain if you want to, if you have another one. Just so you don't catch any bits, but the bits are the good part. We'll be here all day. So there you have it, a Peach Bourbon Smash. Oh, that's so good. The peach goes through well. You can taste the mint and the lemon, of course. This is a really, really, really good drink when you want to just chill and watch a movie, or hell, it's gonna be gone. Bye.